Number of COVID-19 cases has risen to 26,496 in India. The active cases stand at 19,868. 824 people have succumbed to COVID-19 in the country. 5,803 people have been discharged. Well, Maharashtra remains the worst affected state in the entire country. The numbers are on the rise across the country, and now the total number of cases reported has gone up to 26,496. Out of this, 5,803 people have been discharged, and this takes the total number of active cases to 19,868. My colleague Neha Bhan joins us live from the newsroom with more details on this. Well, Neha, the numbers continue to rise, and even now Maharashtra continues to be the worst affected state. Take us through the details.
Absolutely, Pratibha, as you rightly mentioned, let me just start by giving out the data to all our viewers. The number in Maharashtra in particular is alarming. The number as of now in Maharashtra stands at 7,628. 7,628 people have tested positive in Maharashtra, and 323 people have died of COVID-19. Now, after Maharashtra, you have Madhya Pradesh, which again has registered 2,096 positive cases. Then Gujarat, over 3,000 cases. In Delhi, over 2,000 cases, 2,625 to be more precise. Then you have Andhra Pradesh, 1,061 cases. You have Rajasthan, 2,083 cases. You have Tamil Nadu, 1,821 cases. You also have Uttar Pradesh, 1,793 cases. And then you have Telangana, close to 1,000 cases, 991 positive cases. So far the number of COVID-19 cases in India, yes, as you rightly mentioned, has risen to 26,283. But where does the number globally stand? Well, the number globally stands at 29 lakh, beg your pardon, 20,738. So let's just take a look at the numbers in India. Question that's been asked so far: is India testing enough? So far, over 5.5 lakh tests have been conducted. Death rate that has come out is just 3.1%, and the recovery rate of India stands at 20%. So, of course, right now, we need to give it out to the healthcare workers, to the health experts, to the central government for taking action as quick as they possibly could have taken to make sure that the further spread of novel coronavirus is contained. And that's exactly what we did. We started acting on it at a very early stage. Several states, much before the nationwide lockdown was announced, they decided that they would be going in the lockdown, whether it was a partial lockdown or a complete lockdown, to make sure that the numbers do not spread further. So that's exactly what I've been saying throughout as well, that coronavirus primarily spreads from person to person. So to make sure that we're able to break the chain of novel coronavirus and there is no further spread, we need to stay inside our houses, and whenever we're stepping out, social distancing is something that is of utmost importance at this point of time, and that should most certainly be maintained. Yes, if you compare the number of India, the largest democracy and with a significant amount of population as well, to several other countries badly affected by COVID-19, the authorities, we must say, Pratibha, have been quite diligent in stopping the spread of novel coronavirus. On the 24th of March, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced the nationwide lockdown, and it was, of course, taken till the 3rd of May. Again, an announcement was made that the nationwide lockdown will be extended. So today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to address the 64th edition of Mann Ki Baat. All eyes will be on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Yes, India has given a few relaxations in several green zones, but we are seeing people taking the threat of COVID-19, completely ignoring the threat of COVID-19. They've been thronging various markets, continuously indulging in panic purchase when they should not be doing. In Karnataka alone, we have touched the 500 mark. So with each passing day, we are only seeing an increase in the number of positive cases. Not a steep increase, certainly, but then there is an increase. And do remember that the WHO has said that there will be a second wave of novel coronavirus like we're witnessing in China. Of course, the worst affected country, the epicenter of the pandemic here. It, of course, more or less has been contained in China, but spreads like a wildfire in rest of the countries.